Hello everyone, today we are going to do unboxing of Airport 491. Yeah, I just ordered on from the Flipkart. Let's see. I don't know much about this device. I have a previous experience with Boat and it was good. Actually, I had ordered it from Flipkart because on Amazon it was saying sold out. So yeah. It cost me 3,999. Means almost definitely it is 4,000 rupees. I don't have knife in my hand now. So that's the you can see. So let's do the unboxing now. Okay. So hard always to open this. Okay. One more. Wow. So here's the first look. So that's the case now. So let's open it. Wow. So heavy. Feels heavy. Plastic body, but look good. It's a little bit big actually from the last boxes I have seen. And I think it's heavy too. Let's see what more we have in box. Okay. 1 year warranty card. Okay. Other product menus, like what more product they have. A manual, which I always don't need it. This looks like USB type C. Yeah, it is USB type C. Let's see what's more inside it. Cap. If you have a ear size things happening, then these are the oh, I just dropped. So two pairs separately. This one looks small, this one looks a bit big. Now let's have a quick look on what's more inside. So that's the complete set, I can say. So here's the movement. Wow, look fancy. So these dopes here, so that's the look of this one is rubber. That's cover, definitely is rubber, all made of plastic, very lightweight, and yeah, that's both pair. So just let me quickly show you the size so you can compare. Let me try the small one, because in many unboxing nobody's try the good fit. Yeah, I just added the smaller one on it. It actually hurts. It's so tight, so much tight. The process of using the buds is this part. You just had to go in your ear space, and this one will grab on top over here. That's how it works, and that hurts actually. Right now it's like it's hurting right now. So I'm just removed from it and it's now blank. I'm trying with that now, and actually for my ears, yeah, that's a good fit, but without it, it's really hard to wear it, because it's so sharp on the edge, and it can make a pain in my ear. But when it comes to fitting, I feel like that's the best fitting I have right now, if I remove all this tiny little thing. So let's try this now. I will do a couple of callings, and I will go out on jogging today with that and try it, and I will provide the best reviews on it. So keep watching my next video. In the next video I will tell you my 1 week of experience.